Welcome back, everyone, to another fantastic episode of the BYBB Lifestyle. Be your best body where we eat for health. I'm Jamie Graff, and as you know it, I'm here for you. Trying to show you how to eat healthy and heal your body with food. That's what the BYBB Lifestyle is all about. So here we are, week number 5 for Operation David. He's had some great results so far. He's been following the BYBB Lifestyle 5 days a week. We're now going to boost it up to 6 days a week for these last couple weeks. And we are just making his bowls larger and larger because what David wants to do is pack on some muscle mass. So we're giving David a little bit of extra of everything. More of the fruit bowls, more of the salads, the grains, the beans, a bunch more. But I have to talk to David because I think he's been doing things a little bit different on his terms. But we're going to find out if he's following the BYBB Lifestyle correctly like I want him to do so he gets the best results. Welcome back. We're on week number 5. How you feeling?
I feel great. How are you?
I'm doing great. So, David, let's go over a few things real quick.
Okay.
We've got our food for the week.
Yeah.
Our fruit bowls will actually for the next 3 days.
3 days. Okay.
Our root powders, I give you 6 of them because we're going to go 6 days this week.
Mm-hmm.
All right. For the next couple weeks till we finish, we're going to go 6 days.
Okay.
I only have 4 of the seed packs. I gave them to you in these seed packs that you see right here, which you guys can buy. www.bybblife.com. You can go and buy the root powder packs and the seed packs right here. They're $5 each. You get 1/3 of a cup, a variety of 14 different types of seeds that have so many incredible nutrients for the body and give you what you need to have healthy cells. That's what it's all about. www.bybblife.com, BYBB So I was packing these up the other day, and my side mixture that I was using to put them in your jars, I used it all up. So I'm going to have to put some of that together to give you a couple more for the rest of the week.
Okay.
But in the meantime, you could take these 4 with you and just be careful when you open them because they are packed tight.
Okay.
All right. So we have 6 root powders. We have 6 beet juices. We have 3 fruit bowls and 3 salads. He'll come back and get the other 3 later on in the week. So, David, I want you to talk to the audience here. And how are you feeling?
I feel good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Are you feeling, I know we asked these questions a little bit last week. Are you feeling a little heavier? Are you feeling a little stronger?
Stamina's good.
Stamina's good.
Yeah.
Excellent. What I was talking about, as I earlier mentioned, about seeing whether or not David was lying or not. So I wanted to ask him, so when you're having the beet juice in the morning,
Yes.
are you adding the root powder to the beet juice?
I am.
He is.
Yes.
Now, I knew it.
Is that okay?
I knew it.
I thought it was okay.
It's not okay.
Oh.
So, I knew it because when he brings me back the jars, I see how the jars are, and I was able to tell, I said, oh, he's cutting corners. And I know that we mentioned earlier that when you were eating the fruit bowls and the salads, the fruit bowls, you were getting them all down in a consistent meal setting.
Yeah.
The salads
take a little longer.
Take a little longer.
A little more grazing.
Them into 2 different meals.
Or just taking a 20-minute break. Go back to the salad.
That's good.
Yeah.
If you take the 20-minute break, yes, I'm okay with that. But try to consume it in the whole setting. Whether it take you 20 minutes or 40 minutes,
Okay.
Try to, because we want to get all that volume inside the body to let it do its work. Now, the beet juice and the root powders, yes, those are technically 2 separate meals.
Okay.
So we want to, and the root powders technically have to be heat activated. So I don't know if you were, I think you.
I was at first making a tea.
Yes.
But I didn't know.
You didn't know? He just forgot. But we have that figured out now. So these next couple of weeks.
We're going to see better gains now.
Yes.
Great.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Yeah, so David from here on out is going to have the beet juice in the morning by itself.
Root powder first, beet juice after root?
Either or.
Okay. But separate.
But separately. Okay. Exactly. They're both a great way to start off your morning. I'd like to get the beet juice in there first. First, of course, a couple glasses of water, 1 or 2 glasses of room temperature water, whatever, cold water, whatever you like. Basically, lubricate the body. Then have your beet juice. Give it a couple hours, have your root powder. Give it a couple hours, have your fruit bowl. Give it a couple hours, have your dinner salad.
Okay.
And that's where we're at. And this is pretty much all we have for you guys out there today with David on his 5th week of living the full BYBB Lifestyle Full Meal Challenge. So what we're going to do next, we're going to take David outside and we're going to go work him out, have him lifting some heavy weights, doing some deadlifts, some kettlebell swings, and a bunch of other things. But we're only going to go burn him out for 45 minutes.
It's hot out there.
It's hot out there. Yes, it is. We'll make sure to have you some water
Okay.
in case you get thirsty.
Very good.
And that's all we've got for you guys this week. But stay tuned for next week because the transformation happens overnight. David's making great results. And we've got 3 more weeks to go. 4 more weeks to go. 5, 6, 7, and 8.
Yeah.
A total of 4 weeks. Halfway there. All right, guys. Thanks for hitting that like button. Make sure you check out that website. Follow the channel. Share it with your friends and family. Know that the BYBB Lifestyle is here for you. It works for everybody, whatever you're dealing with. Stress, anxiety, health issues. Putting the right foods in your body is the best thing you can do for yourself to fix all those problems. Are you a believer?
Absolutely.
Excellent. All right. Thanks again. And always remember,
Be your best body.